Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the group by. Okay, so a little bit of explanation of what it does. So the group by is used to group the rows that have the same values into a single row. Okay, I know that kind of sounded technical, but when I show you the example of what this does, then you'll get a better understanding of this. So the query to use a group by is actually one more thing I want to add. The group by clause actually is used with other aggregate functions like min, max, sum, average, count, stuff like that. So I'm going to be using count in this example. So let's get started with the example. So the query to use a group by is select and not asterisk. I'm going to use count, and you need to add something that is unique. The ID in your table will always be unique, so use the ID. That is the best choice. Unless you are 100% certain the other column you're going to use is something unique, you can use that. Otherwise, always use ID. It is just the only column that is always going to be unique. So you do that. Then if I show you my table in the posts, I have this column, and I'm going to check all of these users that have bookmarked these posts. Okay, so I'm going to use bookmarked by user. That's the second column I want. And from the posts table, and now I'm going to use group by, and now I'm going to specify which column I want to use to group all of these. So that is going to be this one. Okay, I'm going to save this. So a little explanation of what is happening with this. I'm saying that select the ID and bookmark user column and give those to me from the posts, and group by using the bookmark by user column. Okay, so what this is going to do is, using the ID, count the users that have the same ID in this column, the user ID in this column, and count the IDs of the posts IDs, which are these. Okay, so I'm going to send a request to show you what I get back. So I am getting these. Okay, so it's saying that the bookmark by user, which is the user ID in this table. Okay, so these are user IDs that are linked to IDs in this table. So the user that has this ID, he has only saved one post. Okay, and the fifth user also has done this. The fourth user, actually, the user with the ID of 4, has saved 3 of these posts. So if I go here, I have a user with the ID of 4, and here he is again, and here he is again. So he has bookmarked 3 IDs, and using the count, I have been able to get that this user with the ID of 4, which I will show you, is called this. Okay, so this ID of 4 is linked to this user. So this user has actually saved 3 of these posts. So this is how you use the group by to group the rows of users. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.